When you watch my vlogs or anybody's vlogs, like crazy shit happens, like that sometimes we don't talk about in the vlogs. That going to Burgos Circle Park in BGC, looking forward to it. Woo! Hey, how we doing?
Just stop.
Let's go, the grab's coming. Not you, not you. Ooh. Meet my family, change your name. So we're currently in Burgos Circle in BGC. There's lots of restaurants, string lights hanging all over the place. Of course, the fluorescent Edison bulb lighting. There's a nice park here for just walking around and for pets, and lots of restaurants behind us. I can't wait to go check out. Like your outfit. What's your name? Ooh. So Burgos Circle is actually right next to the High Street in BGC, of course, and it's right next to the Mine Museum, which we were actually just recently at. The location is nice, the air quality is a little bit nicer over here. There's more open roads and also more trees, and we're standing in front of, we're in the middle of a park right now as well, so that would also contribute. Burgos Circle in service area. Just ordered a classic margarita and figure out what we're gonna do for the entrees. I'm thinking chicken, maybe seafood. Get a load of these glass windows like directly behind me. That's pretty cool. And we're back. What's up guys, this is Justin here, and if you're still watching the vlog up until this point, I want to say thank you. I really appreciate it. It definitely helps me out, and hopefully I'm entertaining and interesting enough for you to continue to watch most of my vlogs to the end. I'm shooting this little part because I just want to let you know that maybe if you watch my vlogs or look at my life, it looks like everything always goes perfectly whenever I'm doing something, especially in the YouTube videos, because that's more like a highlight reel. I just want to let you know what happened tonight, because some things do not go perfectly. So when we booked the Grab to go to the Burgos Circle tonight, the guy like missed a turn, and it turned like a 10-minute trip. It's like a 30-minute trip because we got stuck in traffic. So that's like the first little thing. It doesn't bother me that much because it's just one of those things, but the list goes on. So we get into that restaurant that I showed you earlier, and I ordered like a classic margarita for myself and Mia to split, just to have something while we're waiting for the food. I took like 4 or 5 very small sips of it, and like within like 10 minutes, I felt like I had drank like gasoline or poison or something. Like I had a huge headache. My whole body felt weird. It was bizarre. So I needless to say, I didn't like touch it. I told Mia like, hey, you probably shouldn't drink much of this. Like they made it wrong or something seriously wrong with it, because I've had tequila. I know exactly what's in a margarita. I've made a margarita like 100 times in my life. I like beer and I like tequila. That's why I know tequila, lime juice, triple sec, and whatever else you want to put into it. I don't know what they put into it, but it was like instant like drill in the brain. The food was like a 3 or 3.5 out of 5, so it was nothing spectacular. It was like so-so, and I was all right. Then like to top it off, when we get back, we hop into the next Grab to come back to our apartment, and the whole Grab just smells like a fat, sticky fart, like the whole time. It smelled horrible, but at least this guy didn't miss any turns, and he was driving like Batman being chased by the Joker or something, because we were going over speed bumps and our head was about to fall into the seat in front of us. But so I just want to let you know, if you're still watching this, when you watch my vlogs or anybody's vlogs, like crazy shit happens like that sometimes we don't talk about in the vlogs, that makes it look like the experience just kicks ass. But there's always like another story or perspective where it's like, yo, like tonight wasn't the night. Like Burgos Circle is very beautiful, but like the Grab rides weren't ideal, the food wasn't ideal, the drink wasn't ideal, but like everything else outside of that was great. But you know, this is how it's gonna happen sometimes. So as always, thanks for watching my vlogs. Next one's gonna go live tomorrow, 6 a.m. Manila, Philippines time. You guys rock, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, bye for now.